So welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about the university admission process. It can be complex, but I'll break it down in a manageable steps. So initially what you have to do is you have to research and choose universities. Select universities that align with your academic and career goals, and after that check admission requirements on their portal. Each university has its own set of requirements, like they will ask you different GPA, GRE, GMAT scores, and language proficiency test also, just like TOEFL, ielts, and sometimes they may ask Duolingo also with good score. And after that you have to prepare application materials like transcripts and diplomas, and also English test scores, LOR like letter of recommendation you have to collect from the college, and also you have to prepare personal statement, SOP or essay. All the documents, remember, you have to keep it, you have to scan and keep it in a PDF format before submission. And once it is ready, you have to submit your application. Most of the university, they are accepting the application on their portal itself. And and also remember that most of the universities nowadays, they are asking non-refundable I-20 application fees. So that you need to keep in mind. So guys, once the submission is done, what you have to do is you have to review and respond to the admission that decision to the university. Like they may accept you, sometimes they may reject you, or sometimes they will put you in a wait list. So after that, once everything is done, you have to secure the visa. This is for international students. Like you have to apply for an F1 visa wherever you are staying, wherever country you belong to. So after that, I need to give you some additional tips, like start early, as deadline can be up to a year in advance, and also ensure your documents are translated and certified, and also showcase your strength in your application. Be prepared for interviews, because most of the universities nowadays, they are asking interview before taking application like that. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video, and I request you feel free to ask me any specific questions or clarification on any steps.